Is your current laptop built to handle the demanding compute required for cloud and AI workloads? Well, in this highly requested video, I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on the best laptop for cloud learners, tech professionals, and those of you working with AI tools. When I look for a laptop, there are three things that matter the most to me. The first is being able to handle AI content creation, things like text-to-image generation, working with code assistants, as well as large language models, running them locally. Next is productivity. I want my laptop to handle multiple apps, terminals, as well as browser windows all at the same time. And third, portability, something lightweight that doesn't die halfway throughout the day. And so when HP sent me their new ZBook Ultra 40-inch mobile workstation, I wanted to put it to the test to see if it could meet all of my needs. This is the HP ZBook Ultra, powered by the AMD Ryzen AI Max Pro processor. It's ultra thin, lightweight, and built for tech professionals, AI users, as well as content creators like myself. Alright, first impressions, this laptop looks very sleek and minimalist. It's HP's thinnest ZBook so far, and its lightweight design combines power, mobility, and style. I've been bringing it with me to cafes and shared workspaces, and so far it's been really easy to carry around and use. It's easy to lock in and get hours of work done with this laptop. The laptop's 2.8 OLED screen is crisp and vibrant, and it makes it great for creative work like editing YouTube thumbnails. The keyboard feels pretty comfortable even after long hours of scripting and note-taking. It also comes with a solid webcam and built-in mic, which are more than enough to do meetings or on-screen demos. Port-wise, it's also got everything I need as well. USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, as well as a headphone jack. This means I don't have to carry around dongles when connecting to external monitors. And with it being just 14-inch, you can see how easily it fits into my everyday carry. So in terms of design, this HP ZBook Ultra checks all the boxes for me. But as we all know, what really matters is how it performs, not just how it looks. Most laptops might look decent on the surface, but the moment you start stacking up multiple tabs with complex AI workflows together, that's where they start to struggle. And usually it's something to do with the fan noise, overheating, or lag. And that's why I used my ZBook Ultra every single day for a full week before making this video. I have very high standards and I wanted to put it to the test. I wanted to test it against my daily workload, not just industry benchmarks and what was on the website. So make sure you watch until the end of this video for my honest review. Let's start off with AI content creation, which is where I spend a lot of my time these days. As a full-time tech content creator, there are days where I'm generating AI images, using GitHub Copilot to troubleshoot code, as well as running large language models all at the same time. So let me give you a glimpse of what I did today. So right now you can see that I'm using Ollama to run a large language model on this laptop completely offline. I'm going to ask a cloud-related question like, what's the difference between RDS and Aurora? And now you can just see how fast it responds. In fact, when I had so many tabs open and so many applications running, I just didn't experience the kind of freezing and lag that I usually expect, which is pretty impressive considering the size and the weight of this laptop. Based on everything I ran on the laptop over the past week, I could see that the HP ZBook Ultra is more than capable of handling demanding AI workflows. Thanks to the AMD Ryzen AI chip, I was able to unleash my AI creativity as well as accelerate advanced workloads, so I'd encourage you to do the same. Now, you might be wondering, aside from AI workflows, can this laptop handle deep work sessions? You know, those days where you really need to stay locked in, productive, and focused. Well, on a typical day, I would rapidly switch between Notion, Spotify, Google Docs, ChatGPT, Canva, and YouTube when I work. Now, that's already 6 tools, not to mention WhatsApp, Zoom, and Gmail to communicate with my team. As you can see here, I've got everything I've mentioned up here on the HP laptop. Even with the 9 things open, the system is still really nice and responsive for me. I didn't expect no lag, fan noise, or a slowdown, even when I was actively multitasking across multiple applications. Okay, so what stood out to me during testing was the battery performance. Even when I had developer tools running, video calls going on, and browser windows open, the battery was pretty long lasting. I had a day where I was working from a cafe during the day, and when I got back home to work in the evening, not once did I need to plug in my charger, which in my opinion is very impressive because that's the exact kind of flexibility I need when I'm traveling around. And more importantly, if you're working with sensitive files or confidential data, this laptop provides additional security software. The HP Wolf Security runs AI-based threat detection in the background, which helps you stay protected without having to sacrifice performance. Okay, so overall we can see that the laptop not only has a sleek interior, but also a long battery life and a powerful interior. The strong performance makes it the ultimate workstation, in my opinion, for tech professionals, cloud learners, and AI builders, as well as content creators like myself. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, I'll leave a link to the HP ZBook Ultra in the description below. Please give this video a like if you found it helpful, and let me know in the comments below if you're interested in seeing more tech review videos like this. this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.